Hi everyone, welcome to today's English practice session. In this video, we will have a friendly chat between Sophie and Lucy, where they talk about their hobbies, work and favorite things. This will help you practice your speaking and listening skills. Let's get started. Lucy: Hi, my name is Lucy. What is your name? Sophie: Hi Lucy, I am Sophie. Where are you from? I am from Brighton, but I moved to London a year ago. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What are your hobbies? I enjoy reading, doing yoga and hiking. What do you do? I am a teacher. I teach English to children. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is Hyde Park in London. Do you go hiking often? Yes, I go hiking every few weeks. I love being outdoors. Do you work from home? No, I work at a school, but I love my job. What is your favorite thing about teaching? I love helping children learn and seeing them grow. What is your favorite hobby? I love hiking because it's peaceful and relaxing. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to read books, do yoga and relax in the park. What is your favorite food? I love pasta. It's my favorite food. Do you like cooking? Yes, I love cooking, especially making new recipes. What is your dream vacation? I would love to visit Japan and see the cherry blossoms. Do you like animals? Yes, I have a dog named Max. He is very playful. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring because of the warm weather and flowers. It was nice talking to you, Sophie. See you again soon. Nice talking to you, Lucy. Bye. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing your English every day and see you next time. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future lessons. Bye.